Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I asked you guys in a poll recently what product you wanted to see me review next, and what pulled ahead into first place was the Hilary Duff collaboration with Nudestix. This is the Daydreamer palette. Now, I have never tried Nudestix up until this point. I got this in the mail about a week ago and I have been wearing it religiously, like every single day, really putting it to the test. I've been really rethinking first impressions. While I do believe that there is a place for them, and I do like doing them every once in a while. However, I feel like it doesn't really give you guys a true, real, good interpretation of a product. Sometimes certain products work best being used a certain way. I like to experiment a little bit. That way I can really give you guys an accurate review and let you know if it is worth going out and spending your very hard-earned money on all of these new products, because oh my goodness, the makeup industry, the beauty industry is just booming, and it is insane watching all of these products come out. And obviously it is impossible for us to just purchase every little thing that we see that we might like, and that's where these good thorough reviews come in to let you guys know if it is worth adding into your collection. So I do have all of the products on my face right now. I am going to go over everything, give you my thoughts and opinions, because I definitely have some feedback on this collection. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do some swatches and let's jump into it. All right, so this is the bag that everything comes in. This is absolutely adorable. So if you purchase this collection, you are going to get this makeup bag slash little clutch. I think it is so cute. I absolutely love this, like this oil spill holographic look. I think it's awesome. Super cute. So I love that that is part of this collection. All of the products come housed in these little tins right here, which I think is really cute. You can just pop them right into your bag. And what I like about it is that there are little mirrors on the inside of each tin. It'll tell you what product is on the inside here with a little label. For example, this is the Matte Face, Lip, and Eye Body Language Nudie Matte Stick. Wow, that's a mouthful. Now, in this collection comes a blush, a highlight, there are 3 eyeshadows, and there is also a lip product as well. I'm going to start off with my favorite product in the collection, and that is the lip color. It is what I have on my lips right now. This is the most absolute perfect nude shade ever. I'll just go ahead and layer it and put it on for you guys because I absolutely love it. Now, this is technically a gel color. This is for lips and cheek. It comes in the shade Secret Keeper. The texture of this, the way that it applies, is just an absolute dream. It is so even and just perfectly pigmented. The stick allows for nice, accurate application. It is just the most beautiful nude shade. I hope that this is something that will eventually be sold separately, because if I ever run out of it, you guys, I will go insane. This has been in my purse. This is like the lip color that has been my go-to the past week. I am in love with it and it wears beautifully. So I just want to get that one out of the way because it is by far, out of everything in the collection, my favorite part of it. It is so beautiful. Now, as I mentioned, it does come with 3 eye shades as well. We've got the shade Prism, Night Dweller, and then we also have Bright Eyes. Now, each one of these will actually show what color each one is. There's a little band right here that will let you know what color you're about to dip into. The formal name for these are the Magnetic Luminous Eye colors. So I do want to go ahead and swatch each one. Obviously, this is what I have on my eyes right now. So this is the shade Bright Eyes. Beautiful, cool tone, taupey shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Super pigmented. Then we have the shade Prism. I love this one. It's like a duochrome purpley ultraviolet blue reflective shade. So gorgeous. And then we have the shade Night Dweller, which is like this deep metallic forest green. And if you look up close, there is a very tiny micro reflex of gold. It's hard to see, but it is in there. So beautiful. And in this one, it does come with a little sharpener as well, which is nice that they actually include this in this collection. They don't make you purchase it separately, which I absolutely love. So the next item in the collection, again, is one of my favorites in the collection. This is the Nudie Glow All Over Face Highlight Color. It says that this is a skin brightening balm with a soft metallic glow for glassy skin. And that is really the case, you guys. This is a beautiful shade. A year or 2 ago, I would have avoided a highlight shade like this, but now I am all about it. I absolutely love these kind of iridescent, purpley violet, very icy shades. I'm not gonna swatch anything right here because I was swatching something else, so please excuse that. Like, look at this highlight. It just gives you this juicy, glowy skin. I'm gonna put a little more of this on the cheeks right now because honestly, I can't get enough of it. And I love that I can just like dab it on. And it just gives you just this beautiful glow. It is just absolutely stunning. I cannot get enough of this. I had been putting this on all over the face on my no makeup days. I just absolutely love it on top of a tinted moisturizer. It is beautiful. It really does give you a totally beautiful glass skin finish. The last item in the collection is a blush, and this is in the shade Body Language. This is a matte product. I do obviously have this on as well. Beautiful universal blush shade. This would look gorgeous on so many different skin tones. Look how even that pigmentation is. So gorgeous, easily blendable. Before I forget, I do want to mention that each of these products here, the face products, the highlight and the blush, do have these little removable brushes here on the end. I think it's kind of nice because they are removable so they can be cleaned. I personally found that I did not really enjoy them that much. The hairs are just a little bit too cute. The hairs are just a little bit too short and feels just a little bit too stiff that I almost feel like I'm risking like moving other makeup that I have on my face around and just kind of maybe even removing foundation and that sort of thing. If you're into that, awesome, here it is. It comes on these two products here, but for me, I just prefer to blend these products out with my fingers. So let's go ahead and talk about the eye products, which I obviously do have on right now. I have all 3 eye shades on my lids, and I definitely have some opinions about these. I am in a love-hate relationship with these eye products. First off, I do want to say that I found from testing them out myself that they work best on bare, clean eyes. If I put this on top of a concealer, they feel sticky and they do crease a bit. So I found that as long as I just use clean eyelids with absolutely nothing on them, no eye products, absolutely nothing, they do blend and perform the best and they do wear the longest. It does say that you can blend these out on the lid with either a finger or a brush. I tried a brush and I felt like it didn't do anything. They do dry down pretty quickly, and I think that's part of the technology of them being extremely long wearing and crease proof, because I will tell you that these will last on your eyes for hours. I work 9.5 to 10 hour days at work, which I mention all the time because I am giving things a very thorough test while I am working, and these puppies stay in place. Very minimal creasing, which is impressive because everything creases on my eyes, and I did not notice any creasing at all with these. Now let me go ahead and kind of review each color here. Now this green shade, Night Dweller, that you see that I have on the outside of the eye here, I love it and I don't. And here's the reason why. Because it is so dark, I feel like this would be best used kind of around the eye. Is either a liner on the top of the lid here on the upper lash line, on the lower lash line where I have it here, it's absolutely beautiful. But just trying to use it as a shadow for me personally proved to be a little bit difficult because they don't necessarily blend out. As you can see, it's just kind of like this blunt outline here, which is fine. I think for me personally, I like this look. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But if you are someone who just really wants an intense blend, obviously you're not going to get it with this product. That's just what I have found. I have been playing with these and experimenting with them. If you top it on top of anything else, especially if you powder your eyes, do not do that. You will have a blotchy, just kind of messy look. It mutes the shades a lot and everything looks very just, what is the word I'm looking for right now? I can't think of it. Oh my goodness. You're gonna get patchiness. That's it. It's going to look very patchy very quickly. Now my favorite shade out of all 3 is the shade Bright Eyes, and that is what I have right here on the inner part and into the center of the lid, because this one I feel is the most soft, it is the most blendable, and it will give you more of an effortless look. I absolutely love it. I think it's just beautiful, perfect for quick on the go. You can keep this in your bag. You can just literally Just kind of put this all over the lid, blend it in with your fingertips, boom, you are good to go with just a single all over shade. I think that it is absolutely beautiful, something that would be very flattering on multiple skin tones. And then lastly, you have the shade Prism, which is another one I love. This would be my second favorite shade out of the three. It's what I have on the inner corners here. Very subtle shade, but again, very beautiful. I like that. If you just want a pop of color and just kind of give yourself a beautiful soft, just kind of shift to the eyes, this one looks absolutely beautiful as well all over the lids. It looks pretty in the inner corner as well. I am going to keep playing with the eye products. I do think that with this particular formula, neutral is key. They did just recently release, I think it's like a rose gold or like a nude collection, which I'm super intrigued by. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on that, because I think that those are just, I don't know, a little bit more realistic for the type of product that they are. I do think that this green shade is absolutely beautiful, but again, I feel like it's kind of one-dimensional in the fact that it really would only look good on the upper lash line, smeared on the lower lash line, and then in the waterline as well. If you wanted to put it all over the lid or put like a thick line right here on the upper lash line and kind of blend that out, that could look very beautiful as well. But yeah, as you can tell, I got a lot of opinion on these, you guys. So let's just go ahead and quickly touch up on the blush and the highlight. The blush is absolutely beautiful on the cheeks. I love it. Blends out super easily, gives you this beautiful just kind of hint of just kind of like a rosy mauve-y look. It's really beautiful. I do like that it is matte because then it does let this highlight stand out. And this highlight, like I said, I absolutely love it. It is so good. So overall, you guys, this collection is very cohesive. I really do like the imagination behind it. It's Daydreamer. I do think that. I like that it's a little bit more bold. I think that you have to really be into a product like this. You have to like cream shadows, something in stick form, something that is kind of one-dimensional. I mean, it is very different than having a palette with a ton of different shades that can just blend into one another. It's just, it's a different type of product. And I think if you're into it, you would absolutely love this collection. I think that the color story in it is awesome. I love that it comes with the eye, lip, highlight, blush. I love the bag that comes with the collection. I think that the Daydreamer bag, where did it go? I just had it in front of me. How do you lose a bag, you guys? It was literally right here. Okay, it fell on the floor. I think that the bag is really freaking cute. Stinking cute. I absolutely love this bag. So yeah, overall, I think it's a really nice collection. Definitely worth checking out, trying out the formula, see if it's something that you enjoy. I can't get over the highlight though in this lip color, you guys. My favorite part of the whole collection would be the highlight, the shadow stick in the shade Bright Eyes, and then the lip color in the shade Secret Keeper. I love these. So there you guys have it. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this collection. Did you pick it up as well? Are you an expert with Nudestix, and do you have any application tips for those who are also interested in this product? Leave it in the comments down below and leave it for me as well, because I do learn quite a bit from you guys sometimes when it comes to products, because like I said, I am newer to this type of thing. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this look that I created as well. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, share it. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys!